Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a 3-cheese hamburger helper right here. Okay, that's what this is, but we're going to make a double batch. Okay, double batch. See that down there? This twin pack. So this recipe is called for twin. Okay, so it's double. Alright, so what you're going to be needing, you're going to need some salt. Right here, some pink sea salt. And I'm just go ahead and, as I go, put some of that in here. I'm going to put like let's go with it like this. We go with like, that's a half teaspoon. We go like a teaspoon of salt, pink sea salt. Then this is granulated onion. We're gonna go with like half a teaspoon of that. Don't get confused because this stuff is very light. Okay, it looks like I'm putting a lot, but it's not. Okay, that's a half a teaspoon of that. Put that to the side. This is granulated onion. About all it goes out of there. I'm about to get me some more of that. Okay, we're gonna go with a tablespoon of that. I like a lot of flavor, and it's gonna bring a lot of flavor to it. In my meat, that is. Alright. So that's that. Black pepper. You know I love black pepper. So I'm gonna put at least a tablespoon of this in there. Alright, and that's it for that. So that's how that looks. And then you're gonna need some hot water. Hot water, guys. This is 2 cups of hot water. Now if you're only making 1 box, just cut it by half, okay? And you're gonna need 4 cups of milk. It don't matter if it's regular milk or 2%. This is 2% I'm using. So if you want to go on that, then go on that. Okay, guys. And I really appreciate you guys watching my video, and I appreciate everything that you guys do for me. I just want to show you guys how to make stuff, you know, a little bit more easier and taste a little bit different from your regular stuff. Okay, so saying that to say this, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up over here on this eye. I'm gonna cook this for about 6 to 7 minutes or until it's brown, then we're going to drain it. Okay, and then I'll be back. But I'm going to take you over there when I'm doing it in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. If I didn't tell you, I do have 2 pounds of ground beef 80/20 in here, okay? So make sure you have 2 pounds if you're making double. So we're just going to stir this up. I got it on medium. You're just gonna keep stirring it, not, let it rest and brown up a little bit, and then come back and stir it some more. All right. So this is gonna cook for probably about 6 to 7 minutes. All right. So make sure you have a lid too, because we're gonna need a lid for this. Okay. And then also I'm gonna use a half a teaspoon of butter, probably a teaspoon of butter. All right. See you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, it's been about 4 minutes. Stir some more. Don't look like I'm gonna have to drain this at all. The 80/20 is some good meat. Okay, let it cook up for another 2 minutes. If you want to, you can put the lid on there. Let it finish cooking up. About 2 minutes, I'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, it's been about 2 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and lift that pot up to the top over here. Stir this up, make sure it's not sticking. It looks pretty good. Yep. Hamburger helper 3 cheese hamburger helper. So we're gonna take us a teaspoon of this butter. Put that in there. We want to come with our pasta. Real quick meal, guys. And do it taste ever so good. No lie. The 3 cheese hamburger helper ain't no joke. Tastes pretty good. Now if you want to make it real cheesier, you can get you some, what's that, some shredded cheddar cheese or something like that, put it on top, or put it in the stuff when it gets close to being done. Alright, so we got our cheese seasoning. Just gonna pour that in there. 2 packets. Like so. Gonna give that a good mix. Like so. We're gonna come with our water. 2 cups of water. Mix that up a little bit so we can get that bottom. Just like so. Yep, scrape the bottom, guys. Alright. Then we're going to come with our milk. 4 cups. If you can, let your milk come to room temperature. We're going to bring this up to a boil. And then when it do that, we're going to let this simmer. I'll see you guys when it comes to a boil because it cooled down now, okay? See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, as you can see, it's coming to a boil. Now we're going to turn this on simmer. Just like so. We're going to stir this. Make sure ain't nothing sticking at the bottom. Get around the edges. Okay. Just like so, guys. Nothing hard. We're just gonna put this lid on here and let it cook for about 10 minutes on simmer. And I'll show you guys what's going on after that in a minute. Okay guys, it's been 5 minutes into it. Let's go check on it. Looks like it's cooking good. Put this lid over here. Make sure it's not sticking. Yeah, it's turning out pretty good. See them noodles? Alright. Now we're going to cook it for another 5 minutes with the lid on. And we're going to let it rest for 10 minutes. Okay, 5 to 10 minutes. And them noodles will expand, okay? Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. See if I can turn this thing up over here some. That's the 5 minutes mark. Gonna stir it again, make sure ain't nothing sticking. See how them noodles blowing up now? That's all you doing. And trust me, that sauce will get thicker. Alright. So we're gonna let these guys rest. Sir. Turn this off. We'll let this sit here and rest for about a good 10 minutes, and I'll serve it up and show you what I got. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. There it is, 3 cheese hamburger helper. Okay, I'll show you how that looks. If I can get a good close up on it. You can make this scientist project. You can make it too. See, when you let it rest, this is what happens. So some of you guys are saying that it was too watery and you weren't letting it rest. That's all that was. Okay, so this is hamburger helper, 3 cheese. All right, if you like this video, guys, give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please do not, that's right, hit that bell. Please hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. And thank you for watching. And I'm out.